What qualities should someone look for when they're choosing a divorce attorney?
Most of us divorce attorneys, if our clients have children, I think care most about the children. And we will try to advise our client how best to act in the best interests of their children. Some attorneys, and they're a minority, view the conflict as a contest to be won or lost, and it's kind of a scorched earth process that can be very costly. So if you want to conduct the process in a respectful, dignified way, you're going to hire a respected and dignified attorney. If you're all about fighting and fighting and fighting, people tend to gravitate towards attorneys that are less interested in the impact of that on children and more interested in making the other person literally pay. So I've found that parties generally gravitate towards the attorney that will validate their view, whichever view they have of being a victim or being justified in fighting. I think when there are children, it is helpful to work with attorneys who will look at the situation creatively, perhaps in a collaborative way or through mediation. There are many models of mediation. But whether you work it out or fight it out, my best advice, along with finding an attorney that you can work with, is find an experienced attorney or an attorney associated with a firm that has experience. Because the agreement that you sign, if you negotiate an agreement, that is the most important document you will ever sign in your life. It talks about your children, your property, your retirement, your house, support, everything important to you. Don't just sign an agreement without having a lawyer look at it. That document is a settlement of a case either of you could bring for custody, support, or property division. So you need to put the time, attention, effort, and money into creating and negotiating a proper document. And if you're going to litigate, you want somebody who has experience, who knows what they're doing, and make sure it's somebody that you can work well with.
Okay, well, thank you so much for coming and sharing all of your knowledge with us today, Rachel. This has been very informative, and I know people will really be interested to hear what you have to say.
Well, thank you so much, Alice. It was my pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.